Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi page building blocks and sections. This feature gives you complete control over your website layout, allowing you to create custom designs by combining different content blocks within organized sections. First, head over to Kajabi.com and sign in to your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your course and website management tools are located. From here, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Website. This will expand to reveal additional options. From that expanded menu, select Website Pages. This is where all your site pages are stored and managed. You'll now see a list of all the website pages under your Kajabi account. Browse through this list and select the specific page where you want to add or customize blocks and sections. Clicking on your chosen page will take you directly into the website editor, which is where the real customization happens. Once you're inside the website editor, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. This is your object and element customization panel, and it's where you'll find all the tools to build out your page structure. Look for the option labeled Add Section and click on it. This opens up a library of pre-designed sections you can instantly add to your page. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of this section library. Use it to narrow down your options by typing Custom Section into the search field. This will filter the results and show you customizable section templates. On the right side of your chosen custom section option, click the Add button to insert it into your page. Here's where blocks come into play. Under the Add Custom Section menu, you'll see an option to add block. Click on this and you'll be presented with various block options that can be placed within the section you just added. Blocks are the individual content elements like text, images, buttons, or forms that make up your section. Choose the blocks that fit your design needs and add them one by one. And that's how you use blocks and sections to build out your Kajabi website pages. This modular approach gives you flexibility to create unique layouts without any coding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.